Greetings and welcome to the Astronomy Picture of the Day podcast. Today's picture for December 13th of 2024 is titled M51 Tidal Streams and H alpha Cliffs. So what do we see here? Well, here we see the galaxy known as M51, also known as NGC 5194. And you will see a close companion galaxy to it that is known as NGC 5195. Now, these are a couple of galaxies that are in the process of interacting. And that happens when galaxies pass close to one another. Their gravitational fields will interact and tear streams of material off of one another. Eventually, the galaxies can combine together into a single galaxy. And this is how galaxies have grown over time, from very small irregular galaxies that existed shortly after the Big Bang to the larger spiral and elliptical galaxies that we are used to seeing in the nearby universe today. Now, when the galaxies collide, it also enhances the star formation. So not only do we see these streams of material around it beyond just the spiral galaxy structure itself, but we see that the spiral structure is enhanced. It looks very blue and very pink. Well, the blue is due to the hot blue stars which recently formed due to gas clouds being compressed during the collision. And that enhances the rate of star formation, making the spiral arms look bluer. In addition, we can see the pink glow of hydrogen gas that is caused by the excitation of hydrogen gas from the hot stars that have formed. So the combination of those two show an enhanced star formation within the spiral arms of this galaxy. But that isn't the only hydrogen we see there. We also off to the right hand side of the galaxies see a wall of hydrogen there, or maybe a cliff of hydrogen. And these are again glowing that reddish glow, which is associated with hydrogen gas when it is excited. So materials, again, perhaps part of this collision, although its exact origin will continue to be studied, since it is something that has only relatively recently been discovered in the outskirts of these galaxies. And in fact, it takes deep exposures to be able to see these. And this was done by a large number of astrophotographers constantly looking at this object for a long period of time, to really put all of that together to give us a much deeper image, seeing a lot fainter structures than any individual telescope would be able to do. So multiple images then stitched together to really show very, very faint portions of this interacting galaxy pair. So that was our picture of the day for December 13th of 2024. It was titled M51 Tidal Streams and H alpha Cliffs. We'll be back again tomorrow for the next picture, previewed to be deep diving. So we'll see what that is about tomorrow. And until then, have a great day, everyone, and I will see you in class.